Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is my first video with you. So I'm going to share my knowledge with you and we are going to solve maths problem of 8th standard chapter 1 irrational and rational numbers. So let's start with practice set 1.1. So I have wrote your second question of this 7 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. This is the second question and I have already drawn the number line here by doing 5 minus 1 equals to 4 because this is the rule, because any denominator is minus is subtracted by 1 and that much only point we have to give here. Take here like this 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 like this. So now we have to represent 7 upon 5. So we will count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7. I will write here 7 upon 5. And then minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 means negative. So we will to count behind the 0. Because negative number comes behind the 0 and positive numbers comes after the 0. So let's count 1, 2. So this is minus 2 upon 5. And then there is minus 4 upon 5. After this is also negative, so behind 0, not after it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point is minus 4 upon 5. Okay, so I have solved from this first one, second one. Now we are going to solve the third one. So here is the rule that negative number is always on left side on the number line and positive number is always on right side on the number line. Okay, so here I have drawn number line and the question is minus 5 upon 8 and 11 upon 8. So as per the rule I have drawn, I have drawn here 8 minus 1 equals 7. So I have drawn here 7. So I have drawn here 7 points. Okay, so we have to represent minus 5 upon 8. We will count in the left hand side of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is representing minus 5 upon 8. 11 upon 8 positive number, so right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is representing number 11 upon 8. So in this way we have to solve practice set 1 question number 1. So I have solved the first, second and third. So fourth you have to do and comment me down. So let's solve question number 2. Observe the number line and answer the question. So we have to observe and answer. This is the first one. Question number 2 is indicated B. So the question is, which number is indicated by point B? So here is the point B. Let's count behind means on the left hand side of the 0. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it is 10, and upon how much point is given, that we have to count. It is, so we have to count 10 upon, like here there are from -1 to 0 or 0 to 1. How much there are point? There are 1, 2, 3 points. Means if we have to find how much, what is the denominator in this, then we will do what, how much point is there in between 0 to 1 or -1 to 0. There are 3 points. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Means the denominator is 4. So the answer is 10 upon 4. The second is, which point indicates the number 1 3 upon 4? So let's see. 1 is a positive number. So this is in the right hand side of the 0, 1. After 1 we will count 1, 2, 3. So this point C indicates the number 3 upon 4. The answer is point C. So the third question is, state whether the statement the point D denotes the number 5 upon 2 is true or false. So here we have to find it is true or false. 5 upon 2 denotes the point D or not. So the D is here and 5 upon 2 is, so let's count from 0 till D. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 and the denominator is 4. So we'll write 10 upon 4 and divide it. The numbers are divided by 10, 5 and 4, 2. 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 5 upon 2 is true. The statement is true. Okay. So our practice set 1.1 is done.